बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson from Iqra Phonic Reader 2. Yes, students, I hope you are revising the phonograms on daily basis and you are focusing on the sound numbers. As you know, sound numbers are really very important according to your examination and according to the reading also. If you will keep the sound numbers in your mind, your reading will be improved and the question related to sound number will be solved in the paper easily. Okay, so it's time for the revision of the previous learned phonograms. Let's start revision, then we will start today's lesson. Sh as in fish, E as in tree, Z, ao, o, u, u, j, k, sh, R as in car, A as in day, A as in paint, OA as in boy. Okay students, so these are the phonograms that we have completed from IPR 2. You have to learn the sounds on daily basis and you will complete the worksheets also. Now let's start our today's lesson. Okay my dear students, our today's phonogram that we are going to learn from IPR 2 is, you can see in my hand. Can you tell me what is the sound of this phonogram? Yes. How many sounds does this phonogram have? One sound. How many sounds? One sound. What is the sound? OE as in oil. OE as in oil. Very good. So first of all, let's have a look for some of the examples related to this phonogram. Then we will start our lesson. Okay my dear students, these are the words having today's phonogram. Let's start reading the words and then we will guess the sound number. Oil, oil, foil, foil, coil, coil, toil, toil, voice, voice. So students, can you guess the sound number? What is the sound of this phonogram in all the words? Very good. Sound number 1. First of all, we will underline the phonogram. In this way, words will come in your paper. Related to any phonogram, you will underline the phonogram and then you will write sound number. So in all the words, this phonogram has sound number 1. Sound number 1 because it has only one sound. Yes, in this way the question related to sound number will come in your paper and you will underline the phonogram and you will write sound number. Clear students? Now let's move forward towards IPR 2 and start reading. Okay my dear students, it's our page number 40 and we are going to read sentences having got today's phonogram. So let's start. Look at the pictures carefully. Ahmed planted the seeds in the soil. Ahmed planted the seeds in the soil. Look at the picture carefully. Soil. OE phonogram. Sarah keeps coins in box. Sarah keeps coins in box. Look at the picture carefully. Next one. Do not make a noise. Do not make a noise. Look at the picture carefully. As you can see, today's phonogram is written with red color, so it means it has only one sound. Red color for sound number 1. Red color for sound number 1. Okay students, next one. This is a picnic point. This is a picnic point. Look at the picture carefully students. Picnic point. It's a picture of a park, I guess. There are slides, there are benches, there is a grass, so it's a picnic point. Next one. I injured my knee point. I injured my knee point. Okay, this one, knee point. And we can see another double letter phonogram in this word. Can you guess, students? Yes, N as in knee and OE as in point. Red color means sound number 1. You will read the given sentences 5 times. Now come towards next page. Okay, my dear students, we are going to read a paragraph and the topic is untidy room. Untidy room. Look at the picture carefully. You can see a picture of untidy room. As you can see, the things are not on proper places, and this type of room is called untidy. Okay, so let's start reading. Okay, students, let's start reading. Stop that noise and pick those coins. Stop that noise and pick those coins. Sweep the soil and wipe the oil. Sweep the soil and wipe the oil. Pick up wrapped papers and bits of foil. Pick up papers and bits of foil. Time to hurry, time to toil. Time to hurry, time to toil. When we have finished, we rejoice. When we have finished, we rejoice. We won't hear mother's voice. We won't hear mother's voice. Okay, students, these sentences are given about the picture. You will look at the picture carefully and let's start reading the words having OE phonogram. Noise, coins, soil, oil, foil, toil, rejoice, voice. Okay, students, any word from this phonogram will come in your paper. You will underline the phonogram and you will write sound number 1 because it has only one sound. Now come towards worksheet. Okay, students, you will mark today's date here and it's a worksheet for the phonogram OE. Let's start reading the words given in the box. First of all, soil, soil. Look at the picture carefully. Ointment, ointment. Look at the picture. Foil, foil. Okay, students, you will read the given words 5 times. Now come towards exercise A. And what we are going to do in exercise A, let's start. Okay, my dear students, circle OE words. Circle OE words. Let's start. It's foil, foil. Next one is moist, moist. It's soil, soil. Join, join. And the last one, point, point. Okay, students, now we will circle the given OE words and we will memorize them also. Okay, my dear students, in this way you will circle the OE words and you will keep the words in your mind. OE as in oil, OE as in moist, OE as in foil, OE as in point. Okay, now come towards the next exercise. What we are going to do in this exercise. Make and write OE words. Look at this. We will unglue them and then we will glue them. Joint, joint. Noise, magic E, noise. Oil, coil. Void, void. Okay, students, in this way we will glue them and then we will write here. And what we are going to do in exercise C, join the words with the pictures. Look at the words. Noise, noise, point, oil, moist. Noise. Look at the picture, students. Noise, last picture. Very good. Point. Any point. Very good. Picture number 3. Oil. Picture number 2. and moist last picture. Moist first one, picture number 1. We will solve the both activities. We will pause the video and then you will do your written work. Okay my dear students, in this way you will solve both of the activities. You will fill the blank plus you will match the given words with the pictures. Now let's know today's diary. You will read the page number 40 and 41 5 times. Plus you will solve the given worksheet and you will practice the sound numbers. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.